Good morning students, my name is B. Venkateswara, MSc MBD, Super 60, IIT NEET coaching. Today discuss force between moving charges. Force between moving charges. So two charges placed, that is Q1 charge, velocity V1, and Q2 charge, velocity V2. So magnetic field induction outward, magnetic field induction inward. Here force F12 bar, F21 bar, this distance R. The force effect on Q2 charge with velocity V2, on magnetic field induction on charge Q1 with velocity V1 bar, that is equal to F21 bar equal to Q2 into V2 bar into V1 bar. So force effect on Q2 charge with velocity V2 bar and magnetic field induction on the charge Q1 with velocity V1. F21 bar equal to Q2 into V2 bar into V1 bar. From the figure V1 bar equal to V2 by 4 pi Q1 bar R cube into V1 bar into R bar. The first equation, the second equation. So from 1 and 2, F21 bar equal to Q2 into V2 bar into V0 by 4 pi to Q1 by R cube. So V1 bar into R bar. So here magnitude of force Fm equal to V0 by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R cube into V1 V2 to R. So R cancel. So Fm equal to V0 by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square to V1 V2. The third equation. Equation 3. Since V1 equal to V2 equal to V, so Fm equal to V0 by 4 pi to Q1 Q2 by R square into V square. Fourth equation. Equation 4. Here two charges, electric force attains Coulomb force, that is Fe, extra force Fe, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Equation 5. From equation 4 and 5, is equal to Fm by Fe. So Fm equal to mu0 by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square into V square. So mu0 by 4 pi Q1 Q2 by R square into V square by, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So here 4 pi cancel. Q1 Q2 by R square, Q1 Q2 by R square cancel. Remaining, so Fm by Fe equal to mu0 epsilon into V square. The fifth equation. So since Fm by Fe is equal to V square by C square. V square by C square. Fifth equation. Sixth. From fifth and sixth equations, so V square by C square equal to V square mu naught epsilon naught. So V square cancel. V square cancel. So 1 by C square equal to mu naught epsilon naught. So C square equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. So C is equal to root over 1 by mu naught C naught epsilon naught. Mu naught is the permeability, epsilon is permittivity. Epsilon permittivity, permeability. So here C is equal to 1 by root over mu naught epsilon naught. Mu naught epsilon naught. So here Fm is less than Fe, that is equal to V less than C. V less than C. V less than C. C is equal to 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught. Permeability, permittivity, constants, free space. Next, force between straight carrying current. Force between current passes through straight wires, long straight wires. Here two wires, that is the first wire, the second wire. This is B1 manifold induction, B2 manifold induction. These two distance AB distance R. So magnetic field induction of the due to first wire to second wire. Magnetic field induction due to first wire to second wire. MFI due to first to second, that is equal to B1 equal to mu naught I1 by 2 pi R, first equation. So force due to L second wire to B1. Okay, F is equal to build B1 L2 B1 I2 into L. This is I2. So B1, this is second equation. So from 1 and 2, F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi R. R is the distance between two wires, L is the length of the conductor. I1 I2, I1 current pass through the first wire, I2 current pass through the second wire. I1 current pass through the first wire, I2 current pass through the second wire. So F by L, force per unit length, F by L equal to mu naught into I1 I2 by 2 pi R. So here I1 and I2 equal to 1 ampere and R equal to 1 meter. So F by L equal to mu naught into 1 into 1 by 2 pi into 1. So mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 by 2 pi. So pi cancel, 2 cancel. That is F by L equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton by meter. F by L value 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton by meter. Force per unit length 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton by meter. So current passes through the wires in same direction. Second point, So current passes through the wires in same direction. This is I1 current, I2 current. R is the distance between two. The force effect or attractive force between the takes place in two ways. Attractive force between two wires. So current passes through the two conducting wires, that is I1, I2 same direction. Force of attraction takes place between them. Force of attraction takes place between them. Next, third point. So current passes through the conductors. One is the upward, another one downward. R is the distance between two conducting wires. The force of repulsion between two wires. Force of repulsion takes place between two wires. Okay. Next, fourth point. A long wire conductor carrying current. This is I1 current passes through the long wire. And rectangular loop current. This is a rectangular loop. I2 current. Near the long wire. The condition of force. The distance A, the distance B. So F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 into L by 2 pi into 1 by A minus 1 by B. The condition, this condition, F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 into L by 2 pi into 1 by A minus 1 by B. A is the length of the conductor from I1. From I1. Okay. Next, fifth point. So current passes through the conductor. Rigidity is supported. This is I1 current. Just while placed at the above the conductor, opposite direction current. These distance are, these conductor distance are. This means that F is equal to mg. F is equal to mg. Force between two wires, F is equal to mg. So F equal to mu naught I1 I2 into L by 2 pi R equal to mg. So current passes through the conductor rigid support, and another conductor placed above the R distance, I2 current, both are opposite direction. That force between F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi R equal to mg. So here m by L equal to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi R into G. 2 pi R into G. So m by L equal to mu naught I1 I2 2 pi R into G. Three parallel wires, current passes through the conductor. Sixth, three parallel wires. So current passes through the conductor A, B, C. Force per unit length for C wire, that is equal to mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 by A distance, B distance, A. So mu naught by 2 pi I2 I3 by B. So force per unit length for C wire is 0, that is equal to, so mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 by A equal to mu naught by 2 pi I2 I3 by B. So mu naught by 2 pi cancel. So I2 cancel. So I1 by A equal to I3 by B. I3 by B. I3 by B. I1 by A equal to I3 by B. Next, non points. In